Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, power off, unplug, and hold the power button for 10 seconds to clear capacitors. Wear an ESD strap or ground yourself to avoid damaging components. Remove the stand and unscrew the rear cover. You want clear access to the drive area. Locate whether your HP all-in-one uses an M2 socket or a 2.5 bay. That determines screw types and connector orientation. Once you see the SSD, make sure you have the correct replacement and set your screws aside in order. You continue by disconnecting the internal battery. This prevents shorts while you work. If it's an M2, remove the standoff screw holding the module, gently pull the drive out at a 30-degree angle and set it aside. If it's a 2.5-inch SATA, unplug the power and data cables, remove the mounting bracket screws, and slide the drive free. Keep track of small screws and standoffs because they matter when installing the new SSD. Once removed, compare connectors to confirm the replacement fits. You're finishing up. Install the new SSD by inserting an M2 at a shallow angle and fastening the standoff screw, or by seating the 2.5 drive in its bracket and reconnecting SATA cables. Reconnect the internal battery, replace the rear cover and stand, then power on and enter BIOS to confirm the drive appears and that boot order is correct. If the drive isn't detected, reseat the cable or M2. Verify BIOS is set to ASI and UEFI as needed, and make sure screws aren't shorting contacts before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.